Okay, so of the lessons that we've done so far virtually, this is probably going to be one of the hardest just because there's so many details. So make sure that you're paying extra close attention and going through these notes with me. We're going to talk about comparacion, which is comparison. So how to compare things. It's smaller than, bigger than, better than, worse than, more comfortable than, etc., etc., etc. So, first slide here. You can describe two or more things as being the same or different. So these are the words here, obviously, iguales under this lovely picture of the Hawaiian shirts means the same. It actually really means equal, same gist. And then obviously the next one is different. So if we look at the two sentences up at the top here above each picture, we have estas camisas son iguales, and we know that estas means these shirts because we learned that in the demonstrative adjective notes. Camisas, perdón, son iguales. And so what we're going to do is we're going to take this word igual, that's what it is in its singular form. We're going to add an es so that it agrees with las camisas, which are plural. So these shirts are the same. And then if you look at the second one, basically the same thing. Estas camisas, these shirts, son diferentes. They are different. And this in its singular form is just diferente. You can add an S then to agree with las camisas. Okay, so far, not too challenging. Here's where we have lots of details to go through. So when you want to say that things are different, one of the things that you can use is más que, more than. But then you add an adjective to the sentence and you can say something like, oh, that dress is prettier than the other dress, or those boots are more stylish than the other boots. So more something than, and in English, it doesn't really make a lot of sense. So if you look at the sentence, I have it written down here in English, it says, this shirt is more pretty than the blouse. We don't say that. We say the shirt is prettier. Okay, so that's kind of what prettier. Prettier than the blouse. So la camisa es más bonita que la blusa. Bonita is going to agree with the first item that you're describing. It doesn't matter what this second item is. If the second item was pants, los pantalones, it's still going to be bonita because it needs to agree with la camisa. All right, to say something isn't quite as pretty as, or as comfortable as, or as small as, whatever, you use menos. So it's the same format, menos plus the adjective plus que. So la falda es menos cómoda que los pantalones. The skirt is less comfortable than, right? It's not as comfortable as basically the pants. So cómoda ends in an A for the same rule as the previous sentence. La falda is feminine. See, it doesn't matter that los pantalones is masculine and plural. It's got to agree with the first noun. And continuing, when you want to say that things are the same, you're going to use tan plus the adjective plus como. And tan and como are both going to mean as, even though they're completely different words. When you combine them in this kind of format, you get the as something as. So la camisa es tan estrecha como la blusa. The shirt is as tight as the blouse. And the rule still applies, estrecha, feminine, because la camisa. Over here, our first noun is feminine. All right, so you'll notice that these two previously, they have the word que in them when you're expressing inequality. But if you came down here to see something that is expressed as being equal to, you do not have that word que. We have como instead. And then a couple of phrases that don't require that you have this adjective here in between is better than or worse than. So the word mejor, it means better. Mejores when you're talking about something that's plural. Peor is worse. Peores when it's plural. So better and worse. So este vestido es mejor que esa falda. This dress is better than that skirt. Um, if we wanted to make that sentence plural, I'll go ahead and write it down here. So it would be estos vestidos son mejores que esas faldas and those skirts. So you'll see here and how I made this mejores with the, it's plural then, the es, to agree with estos vestidos because that's plural. You can do the same thing with the second sentence. Esa falda es peor que ese vestido, meaning that skirt is worse than this dress. We can make those plural as well. So esas faldas son peores que estos vestidos. Oops. And you'll see that it is plural, peores, the whole phrase because of esas faldas being plural. And the PowerPoint is loaded on Canvas as well, so you can go ahead and try the practice sentences. And the answers are provided there for you, so you can go ahead and work on that before you do the assignment that you need to turn in. As per usual, message me if you need some help. I know that this one takes a little more effort.